What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you the Motorola fixing software if it's corrupted or if it have an FRP issue. It can fix automatically. This software is official software and the name is Motorola Fix Tool. You can search on the official website and you can download it. As you see, first we have to go to the website and click this button to get the tool. As you see, now it's getting now downloading, and be patient until the tool is downloaded completely. Here is the tool. After download, I first download the tool, so we run the tool by double clicking. Now we select our language and click OK to set up the tool. And we click next on the tab and next, and we accept the terms and conditions of and agree and click on install. Now the installation is in progress. We have to wait until it's finished completely the installation. You have to watch the full video how we set up. And now the installation progress is now going to finish. If it asks us to install a driver, we just simply click install and install the driver like this. Now the installation is successfully finished. Now we click finish and launch the tool. We click on the agree and tap on continue. After we tap continue, here it will ask us a Gmail to log in or register and a password. We can open it by our Gmail. Now the tool is successfully logged in by our Gmail, and we wait until the whole process, and if we want, we can allow ADB and we can click cancel, and we escape if we know this whole process. As you see, phones, tablets and smart devices, as you see, you can fix all this and connect USB. It shows when you connect USB, it will recognize automatically and show you the whole process of FRP and fixing the tool. Now this is the whole interface of the tool, and I like the tool, and you can download it and use it. And thanks for watching.